So hi, welcome everyone. Lesson 4, conditional statement. So conditional statement comes under the control structure. So control structure is used to control the flow of program execution by adding some condition or loop to that program. So in lesson 4 we are going to see about conditional statement. So there are three types of conditional statement: if else, if else. Okay, so first thing is if statement. So if you are hungry, you are going to eat something. So God programs the human being like that. If we are hungry, then we going to eat something. So here the condition is if you are hungry. If you are hungry, you will perform some action, or else you does not perform any action. So for this is to be a if statement. So this is a real time example. I had taken two number 5 and 4. So we need to find the biggest number among these two number. So either it may be the 5 or it may be the 4. So from seeing the picture itself, you can able to say which thing is the biggest one. So the 5 is the biggest one. So how we are saying the 5 is biggest one? By making some condition. If A is greater than B. So here the condition is A is greater than B. So one number has to be the greater than the other given number. If this condition is true, then A number will be the biggest number, or else it will be the B number will be the biggest number. So let me move into the terminal, Python terminal. IDLE. So I am opening the IDLE terminal. Yeah. So this is an interactive mode. From interactive mode, I am going to the script mode by pressing either new option or as control N. So here I am going to giving the two numbers, that is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. We are assigning the value to the variable. So either you can assign directly, or else you can take from the user by using input enter that value. So now I am going to check which thing is the biggest one. So for that I had to make the condition A has to be greater than B. So in Python programming, each and every condition or function should be end with the colon. And also the Python is a indent, that is it is a conscious of the white space. So inside the if, we are going to give that print A is big. So that's all. Print A is big. Now I am saving this program. Example 1. So now running the program. Either by means of F5 you can able to run the program. So the output will be the nil. Because why it is nil? I am going to that terminal. So here you can able to clearly see that A is 5, B is equal to 10. Suppose if I had given A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5, then what will happen means I am running the same program. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. I am running the same program. So here A is big. It checks the condition. It checks the given condition. So instead of A, it will take 10 value, and instead of the B, it will take the 5 value. So 10 is greater than 5. So if the condition is true or false, yeah, it is true. Then it will go inside the loop. If it is false, it terminate the program. If it is false, it will terminate the program. So this is the if statement. If the condition is true, it will go inside the if condition block. So if suppose the condition is false, what we will need to do? We are going to add another block called as else block. So the else block will always print the false statement. Will always print the false statement. So B is bigger. So here I am going to giving 56. So for B value I am going to giving the 56. Again I am saving the program and running the program. So before running we need to trace the program. So here instead the place of A, the value will be 10, and in place of B the value will be 56. Now it comparing the that is it checking the condition 10 is greater than 56. So it will be, this condition will be false condition. What it will going to do? It will directly move towards the else block. It will directly move towards the else block. So in else blocks the statement B is big will be printed. B is big will be printed. So let me run the program now. Yeah, so the output will be the B is bigger. So this is the if else statement. If suppose I need to compare the three number, if suppose I need to compare three number, or else if suppose I need to add another one condition, from this you can add, I need to check whether the given number is equal or not. So in that case we are going to else if condition. You are going to elif statement. So in elif statement we can extra add another condition. So the same thing we can able to add the another condition. So here both equal. I am giving both equal. In else block I am going to give the B is bigger. Print B is big. In else block I am going to give us B is big. So now I am going to run the program. So for A variable I had given 10, for B variable I had given 10. So it replaced the A and B value. 10 is greater than 10. 10 is greater than 10. So the condition will be false. If this condition is false, then it will move to the elif block. If the condition is false, then it will move towards the elif block. So in elif block again it checks the condition 10 is equal to 10. So what will happen? The condition is true. If the condition is true, it goes inside the block. If the condition is false, it will go to the next block. Okay. So in this case, the condition is true. It will print both equal. It will print the statement as both equal. So I am running the program. Yeah, the output will be the both equal will be the output. So these are the conditional statement present in this Python programming. These are conditional statement present in the Python programming. So for this, among this two number, we need to select the biggest number. So by means of Python program, we can easily able to do it. So this is the flowchart of the if statement. So in if statement, there is only the true block will be present. Only the true block will be present. There is no need of false block in if statement. After that only we are going to add another extra block called as else block. So else blocks means if there is a true condition, then there will be a possible of false condition also. So if you are hungry, you are going to eat something. If you are not hungry, what will you going to do? You will absolutely no eating. You will have absolutely no eating. Like that, if the if condition, if it is providing the false statement means it will move towards the else block. If it provide the false statement means it will move towards the else block. So for this also we had seen the program. Next, if elif else, if, elif, else. So if suppose you need to check more than one condition, if suppose you need to check more than one condition, then you will go toward the elif block. So for this also we had seen the program. So thank you.